In this video, I will show you to add a shop page in your Squarespace website. Here you can go click here, website, then pages. Now scroll down, click here plus button. Then on the left side here you can see these are the different sections for the pages that you want to add. For example, I want to add a shop page, then this one is recommended products page. Okay, now let me scroll down. So these are the different layouts designs that we can use. Let me select this one. Here you can give a name. For example, let me change it to the shop. Now page is created. Here you can go and you can easily add the products. Here you can see these are the different products. Now let me go back. So make sure that this page is added here in the navigation menu. Just you can drag it at the top. So we have this one. Let me delete it. Okay, this one is added. Now if you want to edit, then simply you can see on the top this one, click here, then you can easily edit and change anything on this page. So if you want to add the products, then you can go back. Here you can see this one, products, then again click here, products. So on the top right corner here you can see this one, add a new product. You can import the product from here using a file. You can also export these products in a single file. So to add a new product, click here. Then here you can see these are the different product types: physical, service, event, package, downloadable products, gift card, and many more. Click here, physical. Then click here, continue button. Now you can add the product name, button text, images, price, and many more. So in this way you can easily create a shop page in your Squarespace website.